What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be about the top mods that you should do on your OBS. This is my opinion, so some of y'all may find it kind of whack, but this is my opinion. So I'm gonna just get straight to the point and let's jump into it. Alright, so the first little mod or whatever is gotta be the headlights. That's a must. That's the number one thing that you gotta do in my opinion, because it cleans up the front end by a lot. Because I know a lot of the OEM ones are really foggy, yellow, oxidized. You can restore them for that OEM look, but I mean, you might as well just buy them brand new. You can get these headlights on eBay, Amazon for like $80, so I mean, it's worth it. Cleans up the front end real good. I've had these for like, what, 2 years? I mean, they're kind of peeling off now, but I mean, for 2 years and like $80, it's worth it, bro. And for my second little mod, it's gotta be the taillights. I know a lot of the factory ones that came with the trucks are real. I mean, they're clean in my opinion, but for these, I got some LED style ones. Look, real quick. I don't know, I mean, they make the truck look more modern, more clean, plus they stand out way more. And plus, they're LEDs, bro. They're super bright, better than halogen bulbs. And plus, I got LED little bulbs back here. Well, I got them on both, right here. As a matter of fact, that's the third little thing. I LED swapped my whole truck, bro. From the tail lights, the license plate bulbs, to my whole front end too. See? My headlights have LEDs for the low and high beams. I also put them on right here for my cluster blue LEDs, and also put them on my AC control. You can't really tell, sort of, kind of. Yeah, but these are a real pain in the ass to put on, bro. I blew up a lot of fuses, and the reason I put them all blue is because my stereo turns on blue, so I just wanted to match everything. The next thing on my list is the rims, boy. You gotta get some rims. They make the truck stand out by a lot. Low-key, I wanted to go for the 90s style ones because I used to have the AR39, so see, I saw in my other video. I low-key want to put them on if I want to go back to the 90s style, because for this truck, I want to go for that 90s look. As you can tell by the side skirts and with the eye rocks, they make it look more modern. But yeah, I want to go for that old school look with a modern twist, like with the LEDs, the rims. But anyways, yeah, I got some 22-inch eye rocks on this 5x5 pattern. Well, this is the other thing. It's controversial for a lot of takuaches, but the spike lugs. I put in the chrome ones. I used to have the black ones, but I feel like they make the truck stand out way more. Makes it look more modern. The next must-have is the limo tint. I got it right here on the driver's side. I got the extended brow. It's really helpful for them sunny days, boy. I promise you. I don't know, the guy who did it to me, he said that it's illegal to have it like below 5 inches. I don't even know, I didn't really understand him. I was like, I don't care, just give me limo tint, extended. See, right here, I mean, you can't really tell, you can kind of see on the inside because the light is hitting up here too. Woo! And right here, oh my god, this one looks really bad. I'm trying to go for a double layer in the back, but I promise you, that's limo. I don't know, but one layer is not enough for me. It is bad. I'm not trying to get caught up, boy. It is. And the last little thing that you should have on your OBS, in my opinion, okay, but anyways, in my opinion, a drop. Right now on this truck, I have a 2.4. I know, it's not that low, but I mean, for the side skirts, it makes it look kind of sway-low mob. It is. But I mean, it looks clean for my truck. In the future, I don't know. I low-key want to go for a 4.6 drop on it or a 3.5. I'm not really sure, to be honest, but 2.4 will do for now. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Dang, you see the lighting? The lights get close. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm repeating myself, but yeah, you guys have any other suggestions on what type of video I should do next? Just let me know in the comments below. I'll try to come up with something interesting. But yeah, guys, I'll just catch you on the next video. Stay safe out there. But yeah, peace.
Mexico, I got your bitch, she giving a throat. I'm in the stomach, I'm hearing the moan. She look at the stars, she taking the pic with the phone. She call me whenever she needs.